The great Muslim mathematician Muhammad ibn al-Hasan al-Tusi. In fact, Al-Tusi was a great Muslim scientist, and he was known by a number of different names during his lifetime, such as M.I.K Tusi, Khwaja Tusi, and Khwaja Nasiruddin Al-Tusi. Khwaja Nasiruddin Al-Tusi was born in Tus in 18 February 1201. This video is about the life and work of Nasiruddin Al-Tusi, a Muslim mathematician, astronomer, and philosopher who lived in 30th century. Nasiruddin Al-Tusi was the most celebrated scholar of the 30th century in Islamic lands. The examples of Tusi writing amount to approximately 165 titles on astronomy, ethics, history, jurisprudence, logic, mathematics, medicine, philosophy, theology, poetry, and popular sciences. In the 30th century, a brilliant scholar changed the way we think about the universe. His name was Nasiruddin Al-Tusi, and he was Al-Tusi couple have ever wondered how to approximate the motion while on Earth. In the 30th century, a brilliant mathematician named Nasiruddin Al-Tusi developed a method for doing just that. It's called Tusi couple. Al-Tusi, born in Persia, he made significant contribution to several areas of mathematics, including algebra, trigonometry, and geometry. His work was so influential that it was studied for centuries by mathematicians and astronomers around the world. One of the Al-Tusi's most important contributions to mathematics was his treatise on quadrilateral. In this work, he presented a method for finding the area of any quadrilateral, regardless of whether it was convex or concave. He also introduced the concept of the polar line, which is a line that is perpendicular to one of the sides of a quadrilateral and passes through the point where the diagonals of the quadrilateral intersect. Al-Tusi also made significant contributions to the field of astronomy. He developed a new method for computing the sine function, which he called the Tusi couple. This method involved using two intersecting circles to create a curve that approximated the sine function. This method was more accurate than the previous methods and remained in use for several centuries. The Tusi couple is a model first proposed by Nasiruddin Al-Tusi, who was a famous scientist focused on astronomy. The Tusi couple was comprised of two circles, such that the smaller circle with half of the diameter of the bigger circle would roll tangent inside the longer circle. In addition to his work in mathematics, Al-Tusi was also a noted astronomer. He also developed a new model for the motion of the planets that was more accurate than previous models and was used by later astronomers for several centuries. His work in astronomy also included the development of new instruments such as astrolabe, which was used for measuring the positions of stars and planets. M.I.K Observatory, built by Nasiruddin Al-Tusi in 1259. Al-Tusi was also a philosopher who made important contributions to the study of ethics and metaphysics. Al-Tusi's contribution to philosophy, intellectual development, logic, metaphysics and theology, ethics, mathematics and natural sciences. This book, Nasir, is written by Al-Tusi. He wrote several books on several subjects, including the ethics of the philosophers and the paradise of wisdom. In short, we can say that Nasiruddin Al-Tusi's work had a significant impact on the development of mathematics, science, and philosophy, and his ideas and methods influenced later mathematicians, scientists, and philosophers around the world.